nearly,
saying everything.
Kenny. Calm down. If you two talk now, they'll come to say you want to play defensive role. You understand? So wait, wait.
They talk to all my friends.
Wait.
They call me, but because they don't want to make I just bust everywhere.
The man don't bust everywhere now. They call you lesbian.
Wait. Not be.
If I post everywhere, you go enter house for 5 years. You know go come social media. You know go come social media.
In the knacking.
I know get say
go where network day now. May they still sub you today.
That one bro. If he said,
I bet make person sub am now.
Bro, I beg.
Wait, Nelly, make I talk. So, more than listening. The mark just come show appreciation. Say in the platform yesterday where we donate for the kids.
Hello.
Wait now, make I finish. I said the man he call me say show your appreciation. Say in the platform where they donate for the kids yesterday. You understand? So eventually we can't talk. Now he can't tell me say most of the thing where you talk don't be truth. You dey get me. You understand? You say, but it not be social media type to climb up to come to explain your part of the view. Now it send me some kind of things we be say even chat.
Bro.
Wait now, listen.
Bro,
listen.
I bet no bet. Just get with
you listen now.
Okay.
Person they talk.
I dey hear.
Listen.
I dey hear, bro.
So now it send me some kind of chat, one or two the chat. You understand? So eventually, no one two when they chat with another person, you know what thing they try to talk. I don't want to talk about the issue. So it's screenshot everything. Give me. He send me your picture where you for even peck somebody, some video where you for take you out, everything. Some kind of wait now. This guy, like say. People,
sorry.
Many people really know you well. Even the way you take come Europe, so me go fit explain and give you here as I did here. So calm down, okay? So I decided to
me I'm a celebrity now that one.
You say?
They talk now network. They talk.
So as I was saying, you understand? So everything where you talk yesterday, not be everything be truth. You understand? According to the man. So the man, he showed me some video where you take lock and put for outside. You lock. If they go work before you come back, you lock the man, put for outside. You understand? We don't do what you want to do for your kids. That one on me. We try to talk about the issue. You know the problem. Waiting I tell the man. First thing when I tell her, I say, Alpha, since when this girl reach Nigeria, you don't go see the kids. Even though say not day again, you don't go meet the kids. Now waiting I tell her, ask her yesterday. I be today, I don't know. Because in they try to the you know, my family, whatever. I tell her, say, you know, maybe they will hear when I talk to her just and say, most everything be your family. You know, if you stand up to yourself, you know, if you take something like decision without your family, must it be your family? You understand? So since we be say you come Nigeria, you never go see these children. Number one, you understand? So that's why they say I don't want to show them the evidence of everything we be say both the write up. I delete them just now. You understand? So because me not be that kind of person, and also I be play people record. You understand? I don't know how to do You understand? So it's not my kind of thing. You understand? So, madam, wait till you say you want to talk about the man where you say you they hide. Kenny, I be Kenny, I don't know.
Bro, I be one time. I did outside rain they fall. So if my network bad, now they hear me. Rain they fall after they talk to you. So
okay.
No, I did outside. So I just did one side. They receive this call because as they call me say Come they talk wetin no happen. Now make me climb up. If not, I for not come. Even as I even still climb up, they say they can come and say I don't need to explain to anybody. Wetin everybody won't believe, make they believe am. Sure you get, because this man you are talking about, I feel swear with wetin I get for this life with my children. Say
No,
that
no
man
swear,
is a
no swear. Not be
narcissist.
only you want get picking. You don't need to
If I
use
lie,
your picking to swear.
yes,
Now only you want get picking.
yes,
Now only you
no.
want get
So
picking.
you should know.
Why
You
you
don't
want use
know.
picking
See,
to
I've
swear?
been with this
Miss,
guy, bro.
hey, Miss
I've been with this
Queen.
guy,
Thank you.
bro. I've been
Yeah.
with this guy for the past 17 years from Nigeria.
Jesus.
I've been with him for the past, yes,
Past 17
I've
years?
been with him for the
Are you
past
kidding
17
me?
years. I
Are you
brought him to
kidding
Europe.
me?
I brought him to Europe. Yes, I'm the one who brought him to Europe. We know right from Nigeria. We are childhood when we started our relationship. I brought him to Europe. Yeah. Even as he come Europe, you know, reach 2 months where he come Europe, where he start to dey beat me. So you get. So wait someone just talk for this matter. Anybody wey won't believe wetin he talk, may believe am. If he say I lock am
Okay,
for inside,
somebody
yes,
say
I no
yes,
deny
it
am.
is
I
true.
lock am, and there must be a reason. And there must be a reason I locked him outside. I can't just lock him outside like that.
They say like 4 times you lock and
And there
people
must
outside.
be a reason.
4 times. Igbani.
So there must be a reason. That guy we are talking about is a narcissist. Sure you get, but you no get wetin I wan talk since they don call. If as I dey talk to you, my phone dey ring. I no wan pick up because they say make I calm down. Who wan believe, make e believe wetin he talk. Who no wan believe am, make dem rest.
Wait.
But I'm not the
Which one
bad
be
person here.
narcissist? I don't understand. Rambo, what's that one mean? Raise issue.
Narcissist. No, narcissist. Person where they talk well. You know, they let person be reciprocative if they talk. Any
Na
little thing,
manipulator,
he go want use am
manipulator.
against you.
He's a manipulator. It's
Yeah.
different for what you dey talk.
He go want use am against you.
this my brother don't gree explain am well for me. What did dey happen? Eh? He say like Osas, almost sweet.
Bro, see
Your life. Continue.
bro, even even when we dey abroad there, you
Yeah.
no get this wetin this man dey do for the house. Na me dey feed all the whole house. He dey work, he dey use am dey carry my ex friend, which I caught them in my own parlour. Ja,
Your ex-girlfriend.
yes, Hausa girl. I caught them red-handed.
You wait. Now you invite the girl.
I don't want
come
to
in my
talk
house.
about anything, bro.
Wait. Now you invite the girl.
Bro, I
come
don't
in
want
my
to
house.
talk about anything.
Which one be say
Anybody
you
wey
no
wan
wan
believe
talk? You
wetin
dey
happen, make
Nigeria, they
dem
wan beat
believe
you
am.
for Nigeria.
And you no wan
Talk
believe, make dem no
everything.
believe. No, nobody wan beat
No,
you. But I don't want to
wait.
talk
That
about it.
outside girl, now you invite her come your house or now your husband invite her come. You
Na
understand?
me invite her come, but na my baby papa dey entertain her pass. Because both of them are alcoholic.
Okay.
Alcoholic. Stupid alcoholic. So anybody wey wan believe wetin happen, make dem believe. If dem no wan believe, make
Okay,
dem
now I
rest.
tell you for start to the
I
get
don't
that.
have anything to explain here.
Wait, calm down, Kenny. You be our own, right? So
Bro,
as
who know
the
me well? Who
wait,
know me?
Kenny,
Shey you
wait
see I say
now.
some people come up yesterday say I be their friend.
Kenny, I know
So
people,
they don't
even
know me for a
today, you know
very
how many
long time.
people call me
Shey
because
you
of you
get.
today. They say that they find you, they want to send you money. So I tell them, say, they go to follow you. As you dey here, so now maybe some of them go see you follow. You understand? Wait, Kenny, I want to ask you a question. Wait, no verse, no verse. So you dey sleep for night where it take they do the thing abi you dey inside house. How come? Like you go buy something for supermarket.
Bro, no for bro, no worry. Don't
No,
worry
you need
about
to
that one.
tell us
So you
because
get I no want dey like
wait,
because people don't
that
dey here
place
now.
they
They
need to
want
know. Comment section need to know. Wait, you know if you
you
don't
know,
accuse person say if they sleep with your friend when you did
no,
the
they
same
no need
house. You say you did
he
the same
know.
house with them.
He
How you
know,
want
and
it
I get a
happen?
lot of evidence.
Person bring evidence say you be lesbian. You say you don't want to talk whether you
Bro,
sleep with your friend.
I no want talk anything, bro. I no want
Who
talk
be the
anything. I no
outside
want give
girl? Who
any
be the
information. I no
outside girl?
want
Who be
me
the
anybody
outside
believe
girl?
me or not.
Una know the outside girl?
They go tag am. Some people still dey here wey they know am.
Who be the
What be her
outside
name
girl?
for TikTok?
Bro, I'm in the middle of something. So
Now you
I
come and
beg,
speak
no vex
English
for me.
for us. You
I
are in
beg.
middle of something.
Don't
Hey,
attack the
Yeah,
outside girl.
But why
I
we
know.
level with Yoruba? O?
So men are no verse for me.
No, you dey tell me say you dey middle of something.
So men are no verse for me. So I
For
go need
inside
to go
Nigeria,
now.
no be say you dey fabrica work.
I
You dey
no
tell me
lie
say
you.
you are in the middle of something.
Yeah.
Rambo, is it proper? You dey embassy. You wan apply for
I
visa.
dey men are
Anybody
no
see? I think una see women now. Una see women now.
verse. I dey in
Una
middle of
see
something where be
women.
say I
Say
need something to take care of.
una see wetin be life now. So
Madam,
Hey,
that man they do
bro, no
three song
worry. I
for.
beg, no worry,
That
no worry,
man
I
they do
beg.
three song with her now. Where you say you don't want to talk with him, they do. Yeah?
the son say
This
no be
lady,
you
Bro,
give
no
oh
am,
worry.
sir,
go
this lady
ahead.
get
Bro, I
enough
go
to
join
talk.
later, I
Oh.
beg.
This lady get
No
enough to
verse for me.
talk.
Rain dey fall.
This
No,
lady
the rain
get
not
enough to
disturb.
talk.
Wait.
See, bro, this one, see, bro, no be mouth, eh? I swear with wetin I get for this life. I get a lot to
I be your
talk.
lawyer, I be
A
your
lot,
lawyer,
more
I
than
be
a
your
lot.
lawyer now. I be
But
your lawyer.
I'm not that stupid
That guy humiliate you. I
because
be your
people know
lawyer.
me well. Sure you get. People know me.
Yeah, you popular. Oh. They know you for
People know
radio.
me well
People
for
even
social
know you
media
for
that year.
radio, Emila.
So yes, so I don't
They
just
play
want to
your
come to social
cassette. They
media
play
and be
your
fooling
cassette.
myself.
I said they play your
Uh,
cassette.
So
Be popular person. And you
so
life lesson,
I
well.
just want them to believe whatever. I not deny that one. I not deny that
I
one.
like this girl. He say not deny that one.
So
He like
I just
flexing. He the flex like mad.
I just want them to believe whatever they want to believe.
This
Okay,
matter.
When they choose to believe
okay.
what they heard
Madam,
about me,
Kukuma
then
call
they
on
can go
WhatsApp, make we
ahead.
they talk this thing well.
They can go
The
ahead and
man,
believe
he want do three
what they
some.
hear about me.
The man want do three some. I be now he make you pursue am for
Bro,
outside.
brother Sars, me your WhatsApp. Send me your WhatsApp number.
Rambo, send her. Follow Rambo.
Bro, abeg
Follow
send
my
me your
follow
WhatsApp
Rambo.
number.
I'll drop am for comment section.
Bro, I'll join you later.
Send her for. You
God.
you don't know this thing. My write am.
Wait, make I send
One
am for
person dey wey don dey find a pikin for over 10 years for Canada. I never see am. The baby mama your carry children run. Oh. The man don spend hair. That matter e dey table now. So I say e no fit do am for WhatsApp. The man say make I let her show me evidence for wetin e dey talk. Oh.
Oh, Sars, now you the rush now. Everything supposed to come out for here.
So let me put my number for here first.
Now you the rush. Wait, make I send
Maybe
am the number.
287086615. Now come put plus 39 for front. Now put plus 39 anywhere where you dey. If they carry your baby, carry and come here. We'll drag the person. We'll softly talk to her gently. You dey see your baby. If the man they beat you, carry and come here. We'll drag am. They go stop to they beat you. If you want leave am, we fit make you leave am. If you want settle, we fit make you settle. That is life. Anything where you carry come, you go see am here. So do gualo, do big gualo, you go see am for here. So bros, you say Messi show me the evidence.
Oh, Sars. Which evidence? Tell am say the girl say he
Bros,
carry Hausa woman come. Whether they want as the lady they go now that angle
brother, let her
with my
show you evidence. Simple.
with
You see,
with my
brother, let us show you evidence. Simple. See,
Osas wait Osas leave all this thing. The lady don't tag am as narcissist. Osas they go on manipulate you. Wait to me now. Make I say I be the woman lawyer. Was the guy trying to like manipulate two of them, make they sleep with two of them, like threesome? The girl no agree. He can't use alcohol, convince the
hey, this
other
one
one.
want kill me, Rambo. I don't feel delete this thing. He don't send that call.
Osas send am make I see him.
No, Rambo. You know now for evidence sake, I can't do that. I can't do
Osas,
that.
but not be that one. You woman, come. Which lawyer, which client you be safe? Person they pull life for your head, you they talk half, you go come on half. He they beat you, he beat you, you born one, he beat you, you born two, he beat you, you born three. After 17 years, now 2 years ago, he start to beat you. Now 2
Amanda.
years ago, he start to beat you. Come, I won't really know what can happen. You not go they put us for, you go drive us reach center of Red Sea, you go leave us.
Okay,
say
not
you
be
don't
so
want
it
to-
happen. This whether na Shadow Crush, he know a lot of things. So
You can't tell me how it happened now. You who be that one?
he did comment section. Be like say na a friend. I
I
been na
can't
you be
tell
the
us.
outside girl.
Now you be the Hausa girl.
I beg comment section.
Hausa.
Wanna share this live give am. Now you be the outside girl. You don't do bad though because not be your fault. Yo, you know what we no buy me racist.
Osas, he said the Hausa girl na drink they take convince him. Then use drink convince.
He said the woman they drink like the man. So they are two the mons. You understand? So as far as say they are two the mons, after from Mozzie to Mozzie, from Mozzie to Mozzie to Mozzie to Mozzie, everything just suburban. You understand what I talk so eventually it's like that. They
He said
happen like
check your
that.
DM. DM me, not DM Osas. DM me. Osas not go fit check him. I'll fit check him with the other phone. No, this woman, you need to come back. Sharon, okay, Sharon, come up. Come tell me about the Hausa girl. Send request, I will bring you up. Sharon, come tell me about the Hausa girl.
I mean I be this one Helly. Helly now
No.
name.
Osas, this one they say here now.
Hello bros. How far now? You really knock her girlfriend for where she did there. No, I just ask you, you really do one, yes or no? Because if she did there, you do and you disrespect her. But if she not did there, you run her na be na how. He say he not do one now.
Absolutely no. If you not say it's short for brother, say Messi do only one thing. Say Messi open a camera wherever she did. Messi carry Bible or anybody we get Bible. Make they sold the Bible for that life. Make everybody see her. Messi take that Bible, swear. Just like that, if she believe and if she cast me, you see me say I put pray for her friend
If
to
she catch you, now be say,
as he talk.
it's all not too
Messi
they
just
drink.
swear
Why you
Bible.
they drink the drink with the outside girl where your woman not dead there?
Baba, this one not be say woman not dead there. Not the same house. If you see the way the house they be, you go not say it's room or parlor. At the room, doorstep. They are made the tall dormer. If face the parlor, brother. Even though person kiss, not unless maybe the person they causing the person or they drop the person. Like we say the person will sleep. Somebody will come in make sense. How come? See this message where I send give you. If I say make I pull this girl, at times I don't know how to come up because I don't want noise. See this message. Now this guy now make me rush enter driving school. We begin to carry. Wait, the guy where I carry come house. Where I carry my wife number. Say me they change say in case of and they do not if I not the house. Make this guy they call my friend for help before I know what it happen. This guy don't they carry my wife go they fuck for midnight. I said.
No worry, it's okay.
Osas, let her talk now. It's not okay.
And
Now
show
they
my
accuse
CCTV
this
camera.
guy.
CCTV camera. Before she know say I put CCTV camera, I put her for parlor because of the children. When I know say this guy they misbehave, I don't understand. One person can't they carry her, not the understand the best way can't they carry her. Now I change the CCTV camera, I change her to inside room. She no, she thinks say I don't come out for parlor. I change her for inside room. They anytime, and that CCTV camera they use this guy, wifey. And this guy they day for house, I mean they day for work, and they come up for house 4 o'clock. Immediately anytime I come up for house, CCTV camera go they go off, until I set down. This is CCTV camera. Before I know say now that my guy come they carry this guy midnight, he go come drop her around 4 before I come back for work. This guy go they pretend for me say he sleep. I cast him out night. I cast him like 2 times when this guy they pretend say he sleep. I say you they sleep. Who come they carry you for? Who come they carry you like this until I cast this guy? Hand like this. See, now my friend see their conversation. Now after this conversation, now I say this guy come my house. People where they watch you, people take that comment section, they don't want to come out. And I tell them, say me they not come out. I can only talk to you here and I tell
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Everywhere good. Everywhere good.
Sasa, I go block you.
This girl talk. All of our friends they did for that comment section there. If anybody come out now, they go come out like a fly. Roast the person. This particular oh shit.
No worry. Not
This particular girl. See they carry man come for house. And people they for comment section where they hear people they hear this thing. They did for comment section where they see they know all this thing about this girl. Where they talk say.
If they carry man come house, can't do it. He can't eat.
They
I
carry-
come. Me we know.
if they carry man, they come your whole house.
This guy they carry man, they come that house.
Where you come they stay, they'll push you go outside.
The first time when she push me go outside, where I go outside, they want me say make I not come inside the house.
You don't marry the
Carry
girl.
man
You
come.
don't marry the girl. May I ask you a question? You marry her.
Brother, Sebi, you see the check the picture where I send give you.
You marry the girl. I just ask question.
See, our proposal to this girl, I arranged for the introduction already, and I gave her engagement ring.
Okay, now just
Now
normal.
the girl carry and come abroad. That's her.
Now the girl carry you come abroad, bro. Start true too.
Okay, make I tell you how that place they happen. Not even my enemy don't know saying that this guy can't make come Europe. I mean, I would say the truth, brother. Me, I did for Ghana, they do well. My friend waiting for Ghana. I first this guy did for Ghana. I still made this guy relax for Nigeria, make her settle down for Ghana before I come pick him, before I realize he did for Libya. Fighting happen. We go Libya, not be a ceremony.
Bros, leave. I know she clear road for you. Wait first. I dey come. Now he carry you come. I be not be you. Yes or no?
Not be see.
Now your money you take come.
I follow a leg enter.
No, now your money you take come.
Now my money I take come.
Okay, not be she sponsor you.
She assist me. She support me. I don't feel like for that.
Yeah, you talk like our money now be pass, right?
No, I'm a pretty press. I send my instrument before I enter the road. Instrument.
Okay.
People know me for Ghana. Own my own company for Ghana. She support me. Yes, I can show you my company, my complimentary card, my company name for Ghana. I'm a very big person for Ghana. I show my everything. She support me. I cannot lie. But all over the world, don't know say she call me enter. She called him maltreat me. The day one where this guy go meet me, the condom where I meet for our wallet for Italy. This guy they tell me say, because of me say pack condom come.
Now professionally, they use and protect herself now. Make she not carry.
I get HIV. I be new person to you. We go carry 20 condom. Come meet me. Don't be waiting to do for free with this.
No, you know say that year for Italy, they don't want carry belly. And so girls they carry condom, they go. Now normal thing.
Okay, fine. I begin the bond with you. I begin the bond. Suddenly, I say that they post lesbian this thing. I come out, say, come on, what did they do? What did happen? What is this? I saw your picture for Sunday. He said, I'm mistake. She don't call them to make them come on lesbian. Make them come out. He said they don't come out arrest. Before I know what happen. Now so I find they push her. Say you say they do business for Italy. People tell your man, say now also you pay for Italy.
No, Losho no be bad thing now, bros.
Let this guy begin to confess many things.
If you don't marry him,
I don't begin to bond with you.
You can't go they do that Losho. Now there be bad thing or now don't they together but the same house. So if she the husband for herself,
no.
you know if you tell woman how she want a husband. Man will not fake her here now. Now they say Usas. I don't understand. They all the whole girlfriend will not put for us. They not fair do a shower. Me not understand now. Let
this man talk. Let this man.
No, there you go talk. But waiting at the talk that truth.
We agree now. We agree.
No, you not be you go agree, Rambo. Na comment section. I know that.
Allow this my client talk now.
Majority of all those babe, not be all, but majority una fair do am. Na normal. We still pull una for us. We know the reason now.
This man go lose a train of thought too.
You know, na very intelligent man. Continue, sir.
Okay, fine. You did do all this thing. Okay, it is your past test. As you don't confess, I don't bond with you. Don't let me have a children with two woman. I beg of you. Let's take it normal. Let's take it easy. Hope you don't go do all this thing again. Now the greatest mistake I make in my life that I will never make again. Any hustle girl, if I see them, if you come my way, I will kill you with gun. If I see you say you don't hustle before. I think kill you with gun. If this guy come out one day, he must bring a strange number to the
beg,
house.
you not go kill their beg, not be their fault.
This guy must bring a strange number to the house. Anytime he come out, one man, either old man or young man, one person must toast and tie number give her. Imagine.
Okay, they do old men well. See, they do old men well.
He can't do it to the. He can't do it as one can finish her life. Brother, if as me, I told this story. I just get
talk everything.
I just get to lesbian. Waiting this guy go my friend. This is my friend. We said her this message. We are thanking you, brother. This guy go this my friend house. As this guy come from Nigeria, this guy go collect Egusi 5,000. Egusi 5,000. As this Egusi say, you know, go chop this Egusi for this house. This guy call police for me. If you see this message, you are sending you, brother, go and check one letter. We are sending you there. Because 1,800 euro. 1,800 euro. Police may have paid. Till today, that is just my document for Germany. Where I apply for document and the world they do everything normal. They say I they pay for penalty, they not go answer me now. It's just my document. I they pay for how back for those children. I they respond for them.
Okay, make us understand. Egusi sees your document, pursue you come on for us.
No, waiting talk be saying
I need to pay the penalty where I hold down.
Penalty, they can't give a multa for Germany because say they are too called they make casino. You understand? So because of the Egusi 5,000 where they bring up for Nigeria, he say may not eat that Egusi.
Ask your client whether they beat my client well.
You they beat the woman. Bro.
I say if that day, policeman they love this guy. This guy tell police say I hit him for head. This guy tell police say I hit him for head. I say make this guy proof. He even get one day we say my neighbor record down. As this guy pretend say I beat him. My neighbor record down one day. For the presence of police like this guy they hold the leg they go down. Police tap me like this. Police do like this. Police they raise head give us say make I leave and pretending. What did this guy they do? This guy go hold my neck. She go put
bros,
all her lesbian friends. You say?
All those things I can accumulate where they come make they deport you, your enemy.
Waiting made them deport me. Some of those are friends, they did life right now. When they say she go they meet for where she go they do also for Wolfsburg again. I hear see police still control her. For where go they do also with her doom. They control her. She go carry children where they go school. Brother, I will send you all the video with her, they tell you like this. I will send you the video. I get like 100 video here.
Post people video. No send me.
Anything where see they talk. Anything where see they talk. Tell her, Messi come prove her. The place where I slap her, me I go tell you, see I slap her, brother. Me and this girl we go party. We carry 3 children, go party, we come the hustle for 2. Now me come the pursue children up and down. This guy go can't go with all the lesbian. This guy go can't go with all the lesbian for that party.
Now you come to enjoy.
Now me come the wahala for the children. So the thing can't best me. That they can't make me overdrink. Can't make me overdrink. I come patient, make we reach house. As we reach house. Now that's our one slap, better one. Brother, you cannot take it. You cannot take it.
Your client not the lie.
I must say the truth.
You know the lie.
Power tap. So
we are human being, brother. I cannot lie. We are human being. But this guy he pull me up. She cannot pull me down. I did well. I not be Olosi. I not be idiot. I not come for Yeye family and useless family like her. They are friends. They are there.
No, not insult her family. Not insult her family.
We know the insult family here. You feel talk to her, okay?
I not come for Yeye family. So me, I see we not be mates and we can never be mates.
So only that once you slap her.
Now only that once you slap her, boss. Only once.
Now only that one I slap her. Now only that one I slap her. Since then, police they want me. And even that they say now they are custody that go sleep. And I tell them saying now alcohol that make me react like that or something like that. And since then I went to driving school. I don't used to take alcohol again. She know. And even though if I want to sleep for house like this, when I carry, okay, let me drink one cup of vodka so that I can be able to sleep. Tomorrow I'm going out early and pick my colleague to work. And in the evening,
comment section, Mona share and give my client now. Comment section, Mona share and give her. May she come.
If I just carry cup, I just carry vodka. Say me I drink one cup so that sleep go quick catch me. This girl will carry camera near me and the bottle to say I don't begin to drink alcohol. I don't begin to drink alcohol. I will come make problem with them. Brother, I get where to go in the morning. This girl will shout in the night.
Yo.
This guy did for life. This guy did for life midnight. Where these children supposed to sleep? Where these children supposed to sleep? He did for life TikTok. And then I say, these children that they go school. Now I promote this guy in charger. I promote this guy in charger for life. Say, you know go make up for inside this room. This house too big. You know the next thing what this guy do? This guy climb 2 building story for inside. This guy want to drop down. I struggle with all my power. I rescue this guy house back. The next thing, this guy begin to call all of our friends and want to from window. They thought that way go strike and see they do press.
Okay, now the guy be the narcissist now. Not be you be the narcissist.
You don't know when this man turn Rambo. He say turn that way, the way go strike, see they do press up. That's it. Don't tell when I beg, don't let all that scratch. You know, say now deal with your kiss. You understand? So you have to be very.
No, when my
I said the life give my client to. I not see my client again.
I get time to go and look there, but the project where they do. The moment when she come here, I struggle make her reach out to the children. She take me like 3 days. She tell me, he just come once, he drop them. The blood will follow up from Jeremy. When we say from club to club. As he come, he go drop the children for somewhere again. Like 3 days before he reply me, the convention day I say give you brother. He did our convention. I get my number, so they talk so.
Well, I asked her yesterday, make you give me your number. He say you don't get your number.
Oh, so that's whether the children
do conversation. See the conversation when she come. See the conversation day with her.
The children they with her for house.
Now, what they tell me, I say, see the convention. I call her, I say, come, because the next thing I hear, say, okay, they bring her from. Even when they call her, say, they tell me, say, yes, they for Italy. I say, why are you still lying? You don't take Nigeria. Why? Are you still lying?
No,
Nigeria. Why are you still lying?
He says still this Italy.
So, okay, fine. Where is my children? Hope they carry you come with my children. Now that one I want here. Make her get joy. Okay. He said yes. My children are with her. I said, okay, let me talk with them. It take me like 3 days before I now write me back say, I can now talk with the children, which is midnight. You now take the children picture, which is view one's picture to their father again once he reach Nigeria. I say that blood where they are brain for Jeremy never see come out. I say it go see wipe out. That idiot blood go see wipe out. It go soon wipe out. My children they take the picture. Few ones thank give me.
You understand what happened? So he send picture, can't give a baby papa. He can't do a view one. Like if you watch her, let you even save. No, now it don't make sense now. It don't make sense. I go do like that. No worry, I'll talk to her. She need to let you see that kiss. You understand?
Brother, wait. You see those children where I said give you there. Those children where I said give you there. Like 6 children in one bed. 6 children in one bed. And 3 women they back there.
What did that video mean? Because I surprised. What did it mean?
Now the day we say I carry them go out. I send you the video where I carry them go out. Everybody chill, they enjoy. I spend money. I rotate like 3 times with my car because they be like 10 with their children. Baba, I come out.
Where you for see children where you park where be 10?
Now lesbian friend, now their children be that. All of them. And people, Baba, I carry them, go enjoy the chill. I tell you the video.
Yeah, send your request again. Your network now drop you, I beg. Send your request again. I beg. Not be you or got the talk. Send your request again, I beg.
So, immediately I reach out that day. I need to change my clothes and drive out again. But because those girls when she bring come house, I don't know them. And I can't suspect them. Maybe they go do stupid thing that night. I don't say they go do stupid thing. Now I just pretend I dress out.
You don't know it. Why you dey lie?
Like the money
You don't know it.
So,
why you dey lie? Why you come here to disgrace yourself? Eh?
I got come up for house. So my coming back midnight, like 1 to 2 o'clock midnight, I meet those children like this. I meet those 3 women for one bed. As a lesbian, those stupid, these animal girls, they take for comment section with her.
For one bed, where you say make they sleep before bed, many for the house, the official house.
No,
Usas,
no,
tell your
the
client
house is
make you wait. Make my client
everybody
talk
have their
again.
children. As a responsible mother, everybody go pamper their children.
Okay, they're not papa
Even
children. They can't leave children for you.
They will see their children as they pack them for one bed. See that bed.
I
we
see
are
the
taking
video.
you.
I see and where all of the other one bed.
Why responsible mother would they do like this?
Oga, why you
How?
dey lie? Why you dey lie? Why you dey lie? This lie, and I go just kill you. Why you dey lie? Why tell am make he come with him real account? Make he come with camera.
No worry.
Why you dey hide? Shey me come out. Everybody see me. Come out. Make they see your real account. Make they see your face. Why you dey hide? Why are you hiding? Why are you so foolish that you are hiding? You don't want people to see your shit.
I hear say carry belle when you go come Nigeria. She go do also when they cut am, they control am. This girl, no dey
He carry belle. Oh, he go
Ah.
belle come Nigeria. She get belle.
The carry on you go belle come Nigeria, reach me here. This useless animal girl.
Kenny.
No, don't cause my client. Not cause my client.
They control am. This girl, all of her friends, they come together and say, make she lie on my head. I call her for house. I say, you be lesbian. And waiting go make me climb your chest in this life. I say, make this ground swallow me. Make God take my life. This girl go like so.
You feel come with your real account. You feel come with your real account. Make they see you. Make they see who they talk. Come with your real account.
You know, reach 1 week.
Where you come with your real account now?
You go tell them, say, I want to rape her for house before they come face me. You know, reach 1 week.
You know they rape me.
After I reach
You know they rape me. If I no want to, you know they rape me.
Wait. Bros.
If I no want to.
He go the right government say, if the reach Nigeria, I go kill her. Again.
Usas, ask your client. Your client they rape my client. Why?
Bros, she dey talk. She say they force am.
If I no want to, you know they rape me with the bottle in your hand. When you go they drink, drunker. When you go one rape, you know they do am.
Okay.
And they ask you yes or no.
As you did there. Now small pikin, if you one person go dey fuck.
Come with your real account.
Brother, ask
Come with your real account.
That's what
Can you
we
come with your real account? Can you? Can you stop hiding? Eh? Can you stop hiding and come with your real account? And let's talk it.
He said, make I ask you. He said, grown up person like you, whether only him one go fit rape you.
You. Now today me know her. I don't know her from Nigeria. Now today me know her.
Madam, he say no be you carry and come Europe. He say make you not talk am again.
And the animal.
Usas, hold your client.
Yeah.
Reason with my
If they
client.
hide. Now so you go just hide forever. Just hide forever. You hear? Just hide forever.
Usas, talk to your
You
client. Make I
understand?
talk to your
Just
client.
hide forever.
Kenny.
Kenny.
As you just the lie big lie so as you just the lie big lie when you
You
come
lie
this,
your own now.
when you come this
Then
live
they
stream,
attack
the
me, say
lie
with my
big
client, with
lie.
my client.
See,
Kenny, you lie your own. Talk what you do.
No, I'm not so stupid. I'm not so stupid. To the extent that I'll go stoop so low and be talking like I'll be saying everything on live stream. I'm not stupid.
So waiting he talk now.
So just like that lie where you won't lie. You hear? May everybody believe you. May they believe that bullshit when they
That
talk.
your lesbian as they shock people up and down.
Yeah. Now you know the fuck nyash. And now you know the fuck nyash.
Usas, they say your client.
And now you know the fuck nyash.
If not,
Usas, your client.
And now you know the fuck nyash.
Madam, you don't catch am once.
By sexual. Where they pretend. Why you not come with your real account? Come now, everybody still see you. Why you they hide? Why you hiding?
Madam, you just dey accuse this man for accusing sake. How you go call him by your sexual? You don't say am once.
Bro, I beg. I know. See, they don't see my DM. Don't fast. I they talk.
Leave
As I dey
DM.
talk
That's
to
what
you.
they accuse
I
you.
don't
They
need
say
them.
DM.
See.
Okay, go your DM now.
This the way I they do it. Like I'm too big for this shit. To go with me, like I'm so big for this shit. I can't stoop so low and be saying nonsense on social media like him. I can't. I can't.
We dey talk to defend ourselves.
I explain everything, brother. I explain everything to you, and I send you a little evidence. I get more, but I don't want to bust everywhere.
You get more. Now me no get.
I dey come for you, and I we dey not be get me.
See.
Or na go para, or na bandits, gather there for your tumult. You know me, where I come
You
out.
will not they take care
And
of
they
your
come for
children when you dey
now.
Germany.
No be say them-
You
say
feel
them dey-
put hand for your
na like
chest.
that we dey.
So you they take care of them when you dey
Na like
Germany.
that.
Only once when you carry me and my friend house, you they come here, come they
Very
cry. You
so.
carry yourself, you
That's
carry
like
yourself. Only once you they take care of the children when you dey. And they ask you question.
This comment
Only once
section,
when
I
you
know the
carry your
power tap. I will off this thing.
or there.
No gift, no power tap.
I dey feed your family. I'm sorry to say, I dey feed your family. I have the evidence with me here. I dey feed your family. I dey put am for chest. Your family, I dey feed am.
This see, as you just dey lie, so
family
now
are
who
the
go
food
buy
now.
you for that place? So many people they believe you as you just they talk am.
My,
Your
my
family are
Now
clients,
you
they
they do
counter
it.
this guy with
I
the
dey come
lies
for
now.
you.
You don't fit
Anything
counter this guy. I don't get anything to
collect
talk
am.
now.
Na
You
Naija
they
you
talk,
dey.
you they tell me say you don't want
Na
to talk, you
Naija
don't
you
want to
dey.
talk.
I go
I don't know
come.
what I go take defend you.
Come,
One
you
day
are
I
not
go come and you go retake me.
you are not responsible. You are not a responsible father. Sure you get. You are not a responsible father. I still get your chat here and everything, and your stupid character and your stupid stuffs. I still have it on my phone here. So I don't want to go stoop so low and be posting or and be saying shit.
You see the rest of your life. At the end of your life, you become a beggar, international beggar.
Ah, you
Worldwide
say I
beggar.
can't be beggar. No worry, no
Don't
worry,
say
no
that to my
worry,
No,
client.
no,
no
Usas,
not talk
worry,
that one. Not talk that one.
Usas, I beg, talk to your client. Make you
no
not talk to my
no
client.
worry,
Usas.
no
Wait.
worry. This one about it's not about being.
Kenny, wait. Make I talk to her. Bros,
This
stop
one is
that. Stop that.
this one about being
Stop
beg.
that. Stop that. Stop that, okay? That anything about waiting they don't give her for each platform, not talk about them. They don't they do it sake of na kiss. You understand? Since they way they take reach Nigeria, now you don't send money, go give them. No, now. You know how it they take care of those kids. So with the help of us, you understand, not be one person they
Nancy
bump
carry
it.
them come now, so you have to know how to take care of them. Yes, now.
This man, now he deport them, not be Jamie deported.
Now you
I
carry.
cannot talk like
Now
that
you
now. Now your
Nothing
children.
do.
wait.
Wait, how she take deport them? Wait, Rambo. How she take deport them? How she?
To put this guy for work. This
I-
guy go tell me say she get her own plan. She get her own
Okay,
plan.
tell me how she take
Why
deport
she dey
them?
go Go dey do also. Now every day this guy they carry money come house. What did the guy they do? I get all the pictures. She go come out house with empty wallet before he go come out. 200 euro, 300 euro. Why she go dey do and later I hear say
With
now
your
all
real
of
account. Let people see you. Let people
and
know
they bring
you.
her out. Say they control her, police control her for Boosburg again. Say where
You
this
feel you
so
feel swear with your life. You feel all this the way you dey talk. You feel swear with your life. No, you can't. Can you? No, you can't.
Wait,
You can't.
Kenny, you really they leave all those children for nights, they go out. You they leave them for them.
Bro, I beg,
No, only that one,
bro.
that one
Don't
just
like.
asking.
No.
Bros,
I don't want to talk anything. I beg.
I will send you video.
Bros, I don't
Everything.
want to watch that
Everything,
kind of
everything, I
video.
will
I
send you.
beg, I don't want to watch.
Everything.
He go play video.
If
Where
it's
get not send
see,
the video.
see, now the drink, now the drunker way in be. Now make me the come for us. Or even with my social, everybody know. If you want make I put them on live stream now, I go put them. This one no be say I dey talk. I dey talk and they do, but I no need them. I dey talk and they do. I go put 3 white people online just now, right now. You can't come here, you can't dey talk. You can't dey talk from one lie to another, and you like you want people to
When
believe
I
what you
complete
are saying.
my life
Like
goals, I
I'm the
beg.
bad
Comment
person
section
here.
power tap
You see,
and
as you
complete my
just
life
see,
goals.
as you just dey play the pity card
No
there,
one
as you
person
just dey play
complete
the
our
pity
lao.
card there, just continue. Just continue playing the pity card.
Baba,
Yeah,
since way-
as you dey
since
play the
way-
pity
since
card,
way
continue
this
to dey
student
play
here
am.
come on live, come dey beg, and the WhatsApp, and all of my friends, all of my people wey know am, they won't attack am. I mean, they say make they not attack am because this
Why
one
they no
is-
come?
is not
Bird of the same
doesn't know what
feathers.
he's doing.
Bird of the same
bros.
feather. Why
I don't
didn't
see have a
you?
future.
Why you
don't
no let
know
them
what he's
come?
doing at all. That means stop people not
My
to
friend
come
won't
attack am
come now.
for
Now
him.
me, bro,
People
sure
right
you
now
they
dey
tell
talk.
me yesterday.
People
Say make
want
my
clam
friend
up.
come. Now me
I
tell
say
them
make
say
dem
make
leave
them no
am.
come.
Make dem leave am.
Now me
As
tell my
innocent as
friend
this
make
man
them no
be,
come.
make dem leave am like that. Now she don't dey pay
Shameless,
for.
shameless.
Okay, bros,
You know they
wait.
pay for
I
what
beg,
you
auntie,
see.
wait.
See, you know
first.
what I go do? See, you know what I go do? You know what I go do? Bro, just turn up. All your shit and your name, especially you go disabilitate your account. I go they post you, they tag you, they so the nonsense what you don't do. I go they post you, they tag you. Let's bring it down. Yeah? Let's bring it down. If not that one, let's bring it down. I go they tag you. Since you don't want me people know
Bros,
you, know the
how
bad way you don't do.
how you
I
tell
go
no
they
say
post you,
this
they
girl
tag
get
you now.
belle for Igbo?
You know, say me, I no get shame.
Bros,
Baba,
How you say no? Abi you buy your talk, that belle matter.
Amata, they easily they cash out because of all of those friends which they
Oga,
bought
person wey you
all
don't
the
see, now you go
arrest
accuse
they
like
cash out.
this.
How you
People
say?
they
How you
carry
say
am,
no?
they carry am, they
See
carry am
see me I get
even
belle.
reaching.
But he said the
Because
Oyibo
even
no
reaching, I
fit.
don't
She
receive
talked through
information say
yesterday. Say
she don't they come.
the Oyibo no fit give her belle.
Now the first Oyinbo. I said the picture give you brother. Now the first Oyinbo.
Eh?
That one.
The
Like
picture there,
all of
yeah?
our one of our friends
Where?
called me.
Where?
See
Okay,
that
go inside
Oyinbo.
the
That
WhatsApp
Oyinbo
where you
just the
take the
talk am.
talk.
They put
Yeah.
am
Oh,
for. They put
So
am for.
baby
unfortunately,
papa,
I
baby
cannot
See
show.
that Oyinbo.
papa, we no want
Unfortunately,
baby
comment
papa, we
section
no
more than
want
not verse. We are
That
not
gree
see
Oyinbo
move
no fit
Oyibo
on.
born. That Oyinbo
wash.
no fit born. Now that second
Okay.
Oyinbo. Now
Baby
that second
papa,
Oyinbo
we
go
no
carry
want gree
belle with.
move on.
Now that second Oyinbo carry
Baby
belle with.
papa,
Because
we
they
no
do
want
the
move on.
WhatsApp. They say
Baby
that one
papa,
do
we
the
no want move
WhatsApp.
on. If
Now
they
amount
screenshot
they
me
take
and
the
my
tell
white man,
all
we
of
will
our
dey
friends.
together that time.
Now
See am.
amount.
So they pay you.
Eh? He saying you're a white man. Ah, this get too funny.
No.
You funny, oh. I swear. He saying you're a white
Baby
man.
papa, we no want gree move on.
If
Jesus.
not, if not, this one can be Mumu. She don't in Nigeria. She don't see as she take they go for Nigeria. 3 children. Now fresh fish. Ejalson. 90 for Nigeria. You yourself, you enter. You know how they go. You enter Nigeria. You see as they happen for Nigeria. Now fresh one. Now fresh one under 18,
Bro,
18,
I need
21
to.
years,
I go need to
22
Okay,
years.
calm. I go
wait,
need to
wait,
calm
wait,
down now. Come
wait.
wait.
No
I
be,
dey
I beg,
confess.
no,
no be
no
to
verse for
Kumbo.
me. Just,
Kenny,
just
wait.
No be to
continue.
Kumbo.
I
Kenny,
beg, people
wait.
the
You
verse
know.
wait for me.
Kenny, wait first. Bros, you say now that 18 want to carry for Nigeria.
No,
Fresh one.
you don't know be under 18 like that. Let you know say from 18 above. Then they here fresh one.
Fresh boyoyo.
So make you know say Eja for day here. No be
Shey na say I say baby
hustler.
papa we no gree
No be
move
hustler.
on.
No be to we don't chop it. We
Baby
don't
papa
chop
we no gree
Dito.
move on.
Different time Kumba, different styles. Both you don't pull mouth. Animal don't pull mouth, woman pull
Oh,
mouth.
sir, this is a
Everybody don't
defensive
pull mouth.
words. This
I
one not
think
be waiting
everybody
this
pull mouth
woman do
like
again.
Nigeria girl.
No, I go defend my client. This is defensive words. You just want to trigger this woman.
He say we,
This my client.
he
Don't
say
do
we
all these
no be
things.
hustle.
Rambo. As he dey talk, so if this man not
Ah,
get, if you know what he did, he dey talk with
But
confidence.
this my client.
You
If you say you
understand?
get evidence, you say you too big. You too big. You say you won't post this man. Which one you
see,
even did?
bro,
I not fit
bro,
defend anything. This man just they
bro,
bring evidence. They bring evidence. Why?
bro. I beg. Bro, I beg, no verse. People don't dey vex
anybody
for
we
me well
won't
well.
come out.
So you
These
know, say
people,
people know me
And
well
they
then
don't
well.
they
they
support
tag
to
you
I
back
they
never
again.
do
support
this
People
her.
kind
dey
shit
there.
If
before.
this
Sure
girl
you
get
get.
to get
People
My
know me well
sister.
well.
come on,
So,
My
let's go this
sister.
and the
thing.
thing what
Go
we
and
say
check
we
this
they do
girl
for social
profile.
media, everybody they save
A
am. Everybody they
friend like
screenshot am.
Now
no
what
So
can
in
they
the
tell you? Go
future,
go
I
defend
don't
ahead.
want me
yourself,
to
not
drag
be
my
me.
picking.
God they propose
So
give
you
this
hear.
girl
Me
online.
don't defend myself. Defend
Where
yourself.
you take where this is your where
People
they
they
talk
here, don't
where
they
that one
tag you and you
See,
here
don't they
that
read
time.
comment
you are
since.
just
Woman God they
pained.
propose give
You
woman
are
online.
just pained
Where
that I left you. You
all
are
of this
just pained
useless
that I
supporter
left you,
where they
and
support
I
Comment
where
left
section.
you
they
for
that
More
time.
na
good.
power tap and complete my life goal. Nah.
Yeah,
Where these
Voila.
people dey, where they don't fit come out,
bro.
say
Later, I beg, no
why I
verse
know
for
you
me.
comfortable, where
I
No wahala, no
woman they
wahala.
give each other
need to
online.
calm down
Why
now.
they don't fit come out that time? Why? Woman
Call
to woman.
Osas, I don't
Why
send Osas
people don't
number
fit come
give
out
you.
and challenge this useless human being? Eh? And then come is rebel finish line and now they come and they defend her. Ah, Ogun go kill many people for these people.
Ogun
Hey.
de Yoruba land.
Somebody come like with a lesbian strategies, come they kiss for life. Brother, I send you the video, I still get more video. All over the world, they watch this girl. So you know as your sister, as your daughter, you know fit call and say, Kenny, come on for life, stop this thing. The time when she come they shake yes, midnight, where you get the sleep, where they supposed to go kindergarten, midnight, 1, 2 o'clock. Now no fit come out, come advise her. It reach this stage. Now they claim brother and sister. All of no go make heaven. No go make heaven.
They go you know if your talk say they support the lady. So bros, waiting and one really know waiting make they deport you. Now that place me now me be my problem.
Brother, you know say I first tell you, I try all my best not to come here. I try.
No, you know
I
go
try,
final
but
rock
upon
bottom.
that,
You can't escape rock bottom. Never.
upon that, I don't know. That's the spirit of human being. People drag me both left and right, say I'm still human being.
Hey, wait. Comment section, mona power tap. I beg.
We don't talk. That is why we die early every time. We don't talk. We used to keep a secret. That's why we die early. Women. This guy, not the state house again. This guy begin to carry my children. He go, I get on the video here where the kind where they enter house 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Children will enter kindergarten. Children will enter primary. This no one for primary. If this guy not come house after 11, 12 o'clock, midnight, this guy will carry them, come second morning, where he go hustle. He go come out, he go come house second morning, which is 6:40 something, and 7 o'clock, and don't you guys go resume school by 8 o'clock. Brother, can you imagine that? I now take a step. I take a step, say, okay, I'm do everything like possibility like to make sure say I collect my children for this girl.
They say you the beat her every day. You the beat her.
Brother, me, I don't tell you, say that one don't happen. It be past. Which is even I never make mistakes. Say now that time when we say I never even go into a driving school, all those things. Once I start driving school, I know they touch me again because they say I'm for blood. If person they drive or something like that, if person they drink. That one don't happen past. When we say I don't do everything. I don't do everything. Anytime that time where I make any mistake, where I touch this girl, I go lie down, I go portrait, I go take money, my salary, they beg her. The next thing where this girl go do, she go carry her phone, they video me. She go they distribute and give all her friends. See how they take my salary, they beg her. So when they cause that thing where carry us come here, we say, I want to enter court with this girl, I collect my children from this girl. I say not let them focus, concentrate, mind their business, think, sleep well. This girl wrong, good all this what they call these people. You guys are. This girl go to tell them, say, I got the rape her for house. That's why I don't want to leave the house.
EJ.
You know this 1 week when you thought this thing, I never expect that thing. Now so they just come. Now I come to wonder, wait up. Now later I come to receive all those information. Even my landlady, my landlord come to send me everything. See waiting go talk about me. See waiting go deposit to lawyer. See waiting all these people write against me. They believe saying now waiting cost my this thing because they never see this kind fast movement before because they never notice me at the work. My work they read everything. My outside they read. And now they take a step. Say, okay, this is my planning, this is my next step to take. Not to make this girl come start work. It the time says the girl on planning to do also for Boosburg. They know her for there. Yeah. With the children.
If you can't carry money, wait. If you can't carry money, come ask. Why you not come? They ask her say, my wife or my girlfriend, where you for the see money? Why you not they ask her?
I feel send you the conversation, the comments are here. The comments are here. Where
my phone don't fool. My phone don't fool.
Osas, ask them whether they use the money they cook food with the.
If they use the money to they cook food, give you.
Me at the work. Now see the tamper. Now see the. She go make the rule. Nobody to touch your thing. Not touch my thing.
Which kind? Now you still get there.
Before I come by.
If that can't see the happen, you're not supposed to there now. Not touch my thing. My thing. You for not dead there. You supposed to don't bag her for long. Yes.
No, Baba see waiting happen. I first bagger. When I'm not.
Okay, you first bagger. Your network not good. You first bagger.
I first bagger.
Okay.
I bought get for France. Then I come back again.
Wait till you carry you come back when you don't reach France. Why you not just stay France?
No, my plan is to cross over from France. You get me now?
Okay.
My plan is to cross over from France. Okay, I guess.
Okay. I understand. If you want to go where they speak better English.
Me I come prepare myself. Me I come for the house.
Oh, now police stay with you.
The time where she lie on my head say I dey do this, I dey do that. I get like 2 or 3 different where they pay police. That one they there. My driving license, as I come back, the thing never expire. I say make I rush down. I carry back, come off for house, go to my friend's house so that I can be able to study and make sure I pass the exam because it's a for Jamie. I try all my possibility best. I get the result perfect. Okay, it's time for this thing for practical. I need to come out. Say, okay, I don't get my exam. I come out the time of practical.
Bros, wetin your make which day police show you where they for catch you inside house where you dey sleep or be outside?
No, I dey outside. It's my landlord called me, say okay, they need me. My waiting day my mind be say, maybe see the house with the children because even though we dey fight, I dey try all my best to protect the children.
Yeah.
So I know the house. So my landlord had to call me, say I have to call, but there's emergency in the house. You know what did they happen for house? What did they happen? As the first week say, I hold my tiny place where I did with my friend. I pick up my car, then in the next 10 minutes, I say, okay, my landlord go see me. Then I come. Then from there, I see them. They say, okay. I don't even know, sit down there. I enter house, they say, okay, then you are going. Okay, what happened? What happened? I say, okay, I'm going. I say, okay, no problem. That's all. That's all. Now,
but they don't fair give you do abi they never give you.
No, I get that one. I even don't keep on my passport. Say, I dey work. I dey do my.
I know. Say you dey work. Yeah. Why you not come out that time where they give you that dun for Germany? Why you not come out for Germany?
Brother, most of those dun not me say make person come out. You can still integrate with the dun. It depends. So as I dey work right now, I need to pursue. I need to some schools, some resorts. Me, I get everything balanced. Now, I just need that. But with our frustrations, give me that chance. Me, I do the necessary things. I dey struggle, say, okay, I don't do right now. Okay, me, I try, me, I do this.
Okay, what will be your advice now to another people with your shoe that time? What will be your advice?
I know the advice be say, any, if you want to succeed in life, I beg forget about woman. First of all, forget about woman. If you never get up, first forget about woman. First forget about woman for that journey. Come back to any woman for that journey. They will later kill you. They not kill you. They will send you backward. That's just it.
Wow.
Hello, Sars. I fit talk.
Talk.
Okay, I believe say the guy they watch. You dey hear me, Sars? See, I'm not here to come judge any of them, but I'll tell you, say this man a red flag. Take it or you leave it. I don't know, not just my own point of view.
I take the red flag.
See, you know they explain. They deport you, they deport your woman. You they get what they try to talk. Nobody they trust me, you not make your explanation. See Osas, when man to talk, you call they talk rubbish. Take it or you leave it. You they get what they try to talk. The fact say you don't get children. See, this girl, Osas say, if we they come to talk, say we talk the reality about parents or mother or father, you they get me. This man is not a responsible father. I am telling you. Curse me if you want curse me. Hate me if you want hate me. You they get me.
I don't want her to come here and come and be beg again. She go still return, come back here.
Osas, thank you. Osas, you they here now. Osas now. Wait, some person talk now.
I try all my possible best to make sure I protect this girl.
Wait, no worry.
If I call her from morning to night, you don't pick my phone.
Go yeah, that narrative me want to push here. Go yeah, not push that kind of narrative here. You understand me? So, who some say man to the talk? More we die. Narrative for frank.
Man they die.
Man to the talk. The person they talk, he say keep off hours. Who's come out of your zone? Narrative for frank. What now? Who's come out of your zone? Go yeah. I'm not
chicken knock your own wife.
Who's that tip down and say the man
chicken knock your wife.
Who's some say to the talk? You know the condition where the guy there. You there with her. Who's some say a red flag? You your conclude say a red flag.
Now my own point.
Now you marry.
Don't talk anything with favor you.
Now you know the man they push all those kind of narrative. Who's kind of
this for me make I talk my own point. I'm not there yet to come favor anybody.
He talk too much. They never ever start to talk. You say he talk too much. Who's that if that one? You know what they pass through?
Luckiness,
the
you know,
mental
cause
damage
see,
you want to put us for
luckiness,
this,
everybody get what they like. Everybody get what, you know, I must not talk with
No,
you
you
to
don't
favor
come here to put
now
that
your
kind of a
own point
narrative.
of
You don't
view.
do that.
That's why
You
you
don't go put that
analyze
kind of
your own,
narrative
I
for
analyze my
Why
own.
you
Now your
just
own
come on
point
cut
of
us say
view.
the person a red flag?
This man, if picky first so say wait. If you see what I tell you, say
I know
not be say
that.
wait now luckiness, make I talk now. Wait.
No, I know the
Osas,
wait. I know the wait.
I am not
As you
trying
first
to
go
say
here, you
what
are
the man
aggressive.
they talk, say
Do
they
you ever
wrong.
go? Do you ever go for the
Listen
man
now.
say a red flag? He talk too much.
You don't
What
hear
kind
me
of talk
talk
be that
about the
now?
girl. You don't hear me talk about the girl. You think say
No,
both
you
of them
don't
are
just come
good
to
parents.
attack like
You
that.
know who consign me. If the
You
girl
were not
see
there
there, I
when they
fit tell her what
abused
I
that
want to tell
relationship.
her. Make una let me talk, Osa. See, you see this relationship between these two couples, eh? You know when two people are bittered, you they get with her, they try to talk. Two, now make can they say marry your friend, don't go marry who go kill you. Even though so na separate, mona they make peace along with una self. You see these people, they hate each other. Imagine now this woman don't get 3 pikin. They don't get 3 pikin together, Osa. So you get me. The woman, you they thought say the woman get the woman a shower. He born 1 pikin, you don't know say na a shower. I'm not sure that you dey get me, Osas. He can't born 2 pikin. You not still know say na a shower. Make you come out. You can't go give am belle for the 3rd pikin. That's what show say 3 pikin like this man don't born. I'm not sure that you dey get with her. They try to talk. See, Osas, before you call wait now, lucky nice.
3 people when you born for no one be your friend, Abi. And you just go
Lucky
here.
nice, you go let me talk.
No
Lucky
one be
nice,
your
you go let
friend.
me
They be your
talk.
enemy, Abi. They
Lucky
be your
nice,
enemy.
Osas, no you tell Lucky
They be
nice
your
make I
enemy.
talk.
They don't be
Okay,
your, they don't be your friend.
make your interview.
No, I don't go green. No, 3 people when you born for no one be your friend, Abi.
Now you want to talk for TikTok. Who
This
don't know?
women,
I been
the
after you
narrative
they
una dey
know.
push.
It's okay,
No,
Goya.
no be saying that
Osas,
today
you
I
go let
know
me
they answer
talk. I
question.
don't want talk.
The
I
narrative
beg.
una dey push, you no good.
May Lucky
Which
nice
can
let
be all those
person
one?
talk. You dey
Lucky,
get
let
me.
them finish. Man, we know where it is.
Which kind
Maybe
of
they
be all
get
those
me,
one?
Osas.
Yeah.
See, you know, say person like me, they feel say I born for 3 months. Thank God. If one not good, I not born for the second one. I come out. Abi, I born for the second one. You not still good. Even I see pack my things come out. Now you want tell me say this girl not good? Wait, say sit down with you, born 3 picking. This is my own point. Wait, they try to talk. You they get what they try to talk. You they talk say the girl na shower. Say the girl they knock. Before woman come born 3 picking for you as a man, Osas, you they get me. You two don't see the single father, Osas. Why you not born second picking for the woman? Why
Who
una two not
tell you
born?
say I'm a single father? Now, so I tell you, me
Okay.
don't tell you say I'm
Now
a single
me,
father.
God you, Osas.
You just dey talk. Me
Wait
don't tell
now,
you.
Osas now. Wait, take I talk it and what up. See, this system remain the same. Woman bought 3 picking for you. They call social media say na shower. Now so they do. This man is just bitter. Say they're 2 doors separate. They're 2 doors separate. Relationship not work. Osa say you they get me. First say the girl na lesbian. Not begin with the settle when married man go the knock yansh. Not be this TikTok with it. This woman is bisexual. I'm not here to come and criticize. Say, okay, the woman are bisexual. This man is here aware. Yes or no? Yes or no? You the thought say you fair come out to Osas, you fair come Paris, you want to go relocate, you can't still come back to the woman house. This is why I tell women say work to make your money. Maybe they take care of woman, maybe you not let woman they take care of you. You the girl try they try to talk. He say he wants stop.
You just said the girl said that they take care of man.
No, the man they work now.
They tell you.
We not the thought say the man not get say, oh, Lucky Nice, let me make my point. Lucky Nice.
No, you don't get points.
Let me make my points.
Go. You be 99.
Lucky Nice, yo, let me make my points. I must not talk with you to favor you. I make saga they call.
You be 99.
Wait your sons they talk, eh? I must not favor you or wait say they talk.
Your brain never strong.
Wait till they try
I hate
to
people
talk,
that
okay?
push
The
wrong
woman,
narrative.
nah. See what make people climb up, Osas. If they make woman, he say she wants to make the woman not come beg for TikTok. Me no even they care whether the woman they beg for TikTok. 3 children don't already there. You they get what they try to talk, Osas. 3 children don't already there. More forget the fact say emotional. How this man go say they take care of the pikin, take care of the food. Osas, you know say one of the pikin they say get heart problem. One of that child. Who they make noise now who be that? Who they road? Do you not say one of the pikin gets heart problem? Where be say they do operation for Germany before now be waiting make they deport that woman. Say if you go they look for money from government, say if they want to do heart surgery, she must need money. Mama, they take bitter. This is the mother of your child. You concern, you not concern. She don't born 3 children for you. Leave the woman bad character. Focus on your child. You cannot say the woman still feed the children. You they get what side they try they talk. TV picking now. Instead for the man to come social media, it's okay. What can we do to protect that picking? Because one of these picking, then you do whether an heart transplant, I be then you do surgery for the picking heart. More they talk about the children there. The man supposed to cut it up.
Goya. You don't see this man for social media since then. You hear now this man come out for social media. This man could have come into the deporter.
But because they not, all they take care of picky lucky nice.
Not be something they breathe so
Wait,
come out.
wait, lucky nice. Hold on, when you lucky nice, reply me. Hold on, lucky nice. Wait, lucky nice. Man, when they deport single-handedly, and woman when they deport with 3 picky for Nigeria, how you say me that woman take cope? When the papa they deport both of them now, both of papa and mama in Nigeria. The thing what we supposed to they talk here now. Now how will they make peace between this man and the woman because both of them in Nigeria? How they go say they see the children? Mono call the man call they feel say, oh wait, we not say the woman not good. I don't go fair talk yesterday for my platform. I got that same matter. Germany women they don't food their body. Lazy people. We see they talk and lazy women. Most of Germany women they're too lazy. Government don't give them €1,000. They don't forget their sense. They don't know it to be mama again. They don't know it to be picky again. So if we can't say more, call TikTok now, call the debate, say, okay, what is the man? The only thing also diploma. Now how this man go say they see picking? 3 children, only that woman. You they get what they try to talk. So more they see they make the way say, okay, how you say they see the picking? Lucky nice. Imagine now we call they tell the man now, call they talk everything. That woman will continue to be bittered. Where they don't bought picking now says that they talk put us lucky nice. Me not telling my but for everybody know. But I know they discriminate say me my baby father not see their children. You know first what would they affect me and my baby father? Now normal thing. But there is a limit and there is a way to talk when my dog bought 3 picking, woman dog bought 3 picking for you. Only the woman bought 3 picking for you. Even though say you see go born, those children remain your children. When you don't born, they're not the shit put. Even though say the woman and winch, she carry your picking. You go talk, you go tire. They're Nigeria. How you take see your picking? The Yoruba man they talk rubbish.
Goya.
We tell you say the woman go to SAS.
Goya, wait. That woman not good. This one not good. This one not good. Meaning now you will give me the option to conclude say all women where they Europe not good at be.
Because no one they no one.
Wait now. Only you see the
see him. See, if we really want to talk, where picky dot day, lucky nice wait. Where picky dot day that they use sense they talk put. This man need to they reserve. Now to try what they make peace with this woman and this man. We not care about both of them. We not say one of the picky get heart problem. We will not get selfish parents. Useless parents. One of the picky get heart surgery. Uma treat her. Papa na useless, mama na useless. Where our picky go be? Where words? Our picky want be where words? Because of two responsible father.
Only you know feed the talk. You know what I'm saying? So you don't.
You know what telling me? Lucky night. Make your point. I make my point. Not they tell me to
May you wait. Now that person make a point. Only you the talk system. Now they give you chance.
Wait, how many minutes I don't take calling? They say make people sit. How many minutes I don't?
Goya, it's okay now. Wait. Bros, your picking get heart problem.
All those things where they talk now very big lie. Now very this animal where they talk, I don't want to
know. No, call animal.
Aga, bring your woman come up. Bring your woman come up.
It's still feather.
They're not there again. You say me bring the woman come up.
Wait now, if they see picking, this one will last to see picking. Wait now, Otas, no problem. If you say now, no problem. 3 people Otas don't reach out to me, they get me. Otas, listen to me, I know how they talk.
They say people when know they say the kids are fine. Goya.
Otas, 3 people don't come tell me, you they get me. They say they do. Except I am wrong, wait now.
Goya, that person they lie. We tell you they lie.
Except that one. 3 people reach out to me when they say they know the woman and the man. They say what to make they deport the woman. Say that woman, the pikin get heart surgery. They do operation for the woman before they deport her.
Now, if the woman see your reply, not be this one.
Except say not be she, no problem.
Not be this
no problem. No problem. Funa say so. Osa small they calm down. Children don't get them. Go take care of your pikin. Go take care of your pikin.
Goya, if you there for platform, you talk. You let another person talk. You be woman. Why you do that?
Oh God, where I lucky nice.
Okay, but they talk us and they talk. May you wait. Make me talk. I'll let you they talk now.
Talk everything.
This girl for yesterday, we donate money for them, but that announcement person not talk. See, Goya, you know it make me come up. I want your day here, the listing. You know it make me send request, come here. Now that was when you talk, say, the man to talk. Mo we die silent. So now they feel they talk. Now alone God say me they talk. May we the men, mo we die in silent.
Men need to be
Say because
reserved.
because mo we strong, I'm not strong. Me not strong. My mouth now my weapon. I'm not a strong man. You hear me? So you cannot kill me mentally, then damage my mental head. Then you say I should be strong. I'm not this strong when it comes to all those kind of damage of somebody. You don't get me? So before man call the talk, say before you go do anything for Europe, fair face your life, fair live woman. You know it pass. You don't traumatize us that we should keep quiet. You don't do that. What did they happen for this Europe who say, lucky go born, lucky go born, lucky go born. Wait till they see for social media, they make me the fear. My life is at risk.
No, you first one before you go
Because
get risk.
all this thing
They
when
listen
all
to
this
the
kind
man,
of
not
thing
go
when
born,
they
they listen to the man when they talk, we don't get
as it be. What your run come say this man a red flag, he talk too much. You don't address issue like that. You want to kill that man emotionally. You want to just kill the man, just finish and first
So yeah,
before
you don't let
get
that
what you
man
talk.
talk. Oh. That man they explain.
And now they do something like that
Osas,
now.
children don't dey
You want
Osas.
to kill the man
Osas, I understand what that man they talk. Let's say you not watch me yesterday, you dey hear me. This woman matter, we never have come deal with her. Osas, where children don't there? I understand what they try to talk. See, where children don't dey Osas, see. What would they try to talk? Say this woman
Pretty
don't get.
Nikki.
See the
Mona
children.
complete my life goal now. Wait first, go here, wait. Break. I'll still call the man again. Mona complete my life goal. I beg. Comment section, we will 2,400. Well, I send the gift to me now. Wait till this up. You know understand? I not say no easy, but if I told me waste this time, I never sleep since when I take on for night work because of a winner. Hello. As I was saying, July 25 is my show. The name of the title of the show is Enjoyment Show. All road lead to Torino. If you don't say you sabi enjoy, you don't get bad energy. I want you guys to be there. You understand? I invite everybody. TikTok King, they send me request. I don't want to play much. So, I don't want to play now. Make I talk. So, what will be this one now? Which kind nonsense this thing be this one? So, as I was saying, please, I beg, Mona go the download lay file. Mona they use my promo code OSAS1. If you use and send money, they'll give you extra 10 euro. You understand? Send money where it reach like 50 euro. And next month, if you use the promo code to send money, you can't tell me your gate fee na free. If we confirm and we see and say you really send, your gate fee na free that day. You know, pay that 10 euro. Because table now, they don't they buy the table. Now I guess even they carry table now at this Rambo for this my show. I surprised. So what did they happen? Where is the man? You know understand? When you not come be say me, they can't chance una that day. Una not if you can talk to them. You understand what I mean? So please, guys, wanna support my life goal before I call the man again. Make you explain everything because that man get what you want to talk with the vouloir. You need to tell us what happen. I will come advise the man. Try make peace so that you go to see the children. And understand? So it's not really easy. It's not easy for that woman for Nigeria. Konatiri kiss, you understand? No matter the kind bad person where anybody be, but all of us will still come to one place. All those children, you understand? Because of the children, Please, guys, I dey beg everybody. Mona complete my life good. May I for come up for this position when I did. You understand? Good Samaritan not dey comment section. They day now. Walao. Thank you very much. Oh, God go bless you. As you send, I they follow you instantly. God bless your career. So may I call the man. Rambo, you get what you want to talk. I mean, want to bring your client come up. People many way want to talk.
Bring anybody come up. You see waiting Lucky Nice talk of the truth. Yes. You see waiting Goya talk. Yes. Goya they talk from the aspect of the children, which I really stand for. You understand? That lady really carry burden. I don't know if the man they hear me. That lady really carry burden. More they watch after the children. Imagine people who don't see light for all their life. For this period of time, now this short period of time, they're not going to see light again. And to eat, we know
Okay,
as Nigeria.
okay. Hello, Baba.
Baba.
Odabo.
I didn't tell Baba.
Calm down, not too verse, yeah. Miss, thank you very much for the money gone. Please, I beg Mona complete and finish. I beg this one when I send come. Me one person complete and finish. May I come up for this level when I did so. God bless you. Thank you as you gift. Thank you very much. So now what you really want now? How you want to make peace with the children now so that you feel they see them? I mean, you get alternative to the see the children on your own, or you want our help, or you want one alone?
Actually, I don't first try to take the first move to go there, because the time when they fought the newly come, I tried the movement, me and make them, but the way they behave again, that blood with their body, she carry out this again, she go drop the children for somewhere, she run almost like 3 days before, she reply me again, and now say, okay, here is in Nigeria. Actually, she not say I get something down in Nigeria. All these things make me the time we say I not plan now.
Wait, you never build us. You never build us.
No, brother, this is social media.
No,
media.
you don't need to hide that now. As today now, you know, easy for you. You don't build us. Have you never been at the rent today? That's normal thing. Not be your fault.
Not
be your fault. If at all, what you want to share for? You never build us.
No, this one not be safe. Not be everything. Person go there.
Okay, man, you get estate for Lagos. It's okay. Continue.
Okay, if you talk say your baby mama na lesbian, you know if you talk whether you get house.
No worry, Rambo.
No, me I not get any balance with her. Now give me a big I sit together now, and we can feel live for this life, not to sit the way we go, the way they go depart us. We can feel live, not to set our hands to each other.
Okay, so
yes, it's possible.
You want the children life, right?
So I not do anything.
You want
There's nothing wrong.
How far you want the children life? May we know. You have to know how you want to their life, because you don't leave everything for her. Because like you understand the kind of person where you say she be. You understand? Now you really understand that we there, so we never live with her. So you have to put your support, because all those children, they're not born there for Nigeria. You know the system. They never understand the system of Nigeria. You understand? So this is your time to show that fatherly love at least, if at all. I don't say it's not easy for you. You not still deported. You understand? So based on say they wanna get family, large family for Lagos, all those things. Mama, they, papa, they not hard. You understand? Make sure say you go to show them love. For now to come back, I know say that one go hard. Now not go fit come back the way they look at. How you see? Now I come back.
All right, if you ask me 1 euro, me I not go buy. God make me 1 euro, me I not go fit.
Why? Now he bought 3 children for you,
brother. Even though he born 100 children, as me I don't see for this time. For waiting God open my eyes see. Waiting this can make me pass through. I'm near like I dey see my grave like this. I'm near the like I want to enter grave. We gonna still pull me back. Because if I use my money buy, that's where go come buy, we come pull me finally.
So you say now from 18 years he want the chop now. The good.
First you go take the see the picking. Now they important.
Baba, you know the secret way they behalf of this thing. I make this girl with this.
Make you know they talk all these things. Make you and the woman come to compromise.
Thank you. Now all this one where you say yes. The way they don't bought children, I sense that they use those.
Oh, guy, you get the time way too often a day you give them. So now they rub on
I mean, I used to good pass because they never walk come and cut up.
Wait, Oga. How you want to continue to see the children now? How you want it one? You need our help. We will help you. Talk to her.
Nigeria go they carry on that age, 18 years
then
old.
You wait now, 18 years not be on that age now.
If I carry 18 years, now your daughter.
And that one you they hear now. You know they hear how you wanted to support the children.
Yeah, they call so see Percy.
Go ya. Sorry, no verse for that.
Now be that too. I get that one verse number here. They be lesbian. I know how Nasaro they be lesbian. I know how.
Osas, if we get this place, we go. This man will cast the identity. I swear to God. If we give this man a chance,
I will call their fellow woman when they come out for them. They take common sense of the worst there.
You know their name. You know their name.
Not call their name. It's okay.
Oga, how you wanted to support your children? We know say I don't know whether you go feed they see them, but at least then go school now. Then go they eat.
Actually, I try to arrange myself. I need to stand because now I want to protect the children. Now the run, now the race run. Where I can't land for here. How the children not go take? They not go take mislead in life. How they want to go far? Now that thing I fight for where I meet myself from here. So at this moment right now, I don't have any power. So I need to step down to get myself right before I can look back to them. I'm not denied them.
Sir, Shebi dey and I say not get any power, but the woman called the beg now. Remember, I want more get point, so you they get me. You see the problem now. You ask her one valid question. You say, how can you do to be investing on your child? He say not get any power. He say not get what he want to build himself. But the woman can't see talk. Now you see the power of a mother. But the woman can't see talk on the beg. Now the man say he want block all means for the woman to say beg. Now the way they try to tell Lucky Nice. The power of a woman and the power of a man not be the same. If that girl now let's single girl, you think say go cut it or call beg or sas. You know cut it or come beg. Shebuna they hear wetin the man they talk. One day very bad
Not be see carry them. Not be see carry them come. Now see carry them come now. Now you.
Bros,
now
wait
you,
now.
Bros,
they're not deporting you. Why they're
all your
deporting?
video with them I get.
Goya, wait.
All your video with them I get.
Wait. Oga, I understand where you they come from. Say you not get, but not they tell the woman say make she not go they beg again. That aside, financially, yes, you know they buoyant now. You go feed they call these your children, make them they know that at least then get papa. That one they very important for their mental health. For their mental health. Everything not be money sometimes, you understand. At least make them know say their papa still their life. I get papa person will go still they encourage them. You understand? That thing they very important. How you go take they reach them. You they ready to do all those kind of things. You give them
You take call. Hold on, sorry, Rainbow. May I correct you? Can I please? Rainbow, there is different
not be Rainbow now, so that they call me.
Sorry, my love. Sorry, my love. You know, say okay, not verse, my love. Rambo, not verse, daddy. Rambo, Matt. Osasa, one more na get point for. You know, say Europe or say na government they assist us. You see the mentality when this man wants to bring come Nigeria. Now, Nigeria will be say, father they take care of children. They ask this man one valid question. How can you take care of your child? He say he not get any other alternatives. Say he want to build yourself. He want build your career.
You talk me, I come down, please.
Wait now, madam. You they get me.
Baba, you
Wait.
Talk
Madam, you they get me talk. You don't talk you want talk. I don't understand.
All of our friends are there back now.
I don't talk finish you want talk.
Make them they follow up. Make them they help and they take care of.
Your mouth don't pass.
Think it's not the matter, no risk. You don't pass like that.
I bet why you want insult Goya? Which kind of
Don't worry, Osan. Rambo,
Goya, you don't talk to me.
hold on.
Just
Goya, talk.
Give out. After they contribute 3 give out, they put and come live. Let's go the best for money. Who does that? 2 euros, they contribute give out. Let's take up one day. They come put and come live. Don't they beg.
Oga, wetin your fit do to take make these children? Now, make the woman not they beg. Now you be their papa, 3 children. You not born for another man.
If you not fit take care of them, I will go pick them. Messi come live here. See, if you not fit take care of them, I will come pick them. They be my children.
So as make people talk now, make they come down. I beg. Good afternoon.
Make them invest and come here. If you not fit, I will go pick them.
Madam, wait. Abies, say something. Abies, 2 minutes. 1 minute, Abies. Say something. Abies, talk now.
Mona, don't first on a mistake.
We nearly don't carry you come up. Of your love.
Good afternoon. Everybody, Goya be your very good friend though, and they follow you back to back. But the way they bash this man is very, very bad. They deport this man go Nigeria. He's a deportee like that woman. When you for see money right now, want to take off children, they just deport her. Let us be honest now. They just deport this man. And the problem with they deport the man, said the woman not they do well. Now it affect the man for Europe here. So we need to talk to both of them, make they calm down, make they not fight again. Don't be say you want they back the man, person you all need deport. You want me to go carry government begin the thief for Nigeria? They all deport the man, they not deport her with motor or with anything you want go sell for Nigeria. You calm down, beg, go your beg, calm down. If you want advise both of them, not they back one person. Because now the man need to really calm down first. May think of how you want to get job. May you think of how you want to get money when you want to take off the children because you know go thief. You no go buy am gun now, may go start to the thief for Nigeria. The man need to calculate. Make it now he want to get money, how he want to start business before he go start to the work.
Why
You
the
know
man
nothing
not cut it up where people contribute? Why
They
the
take
man
all
not
the
cut it up where people contribute? The woman where they beg, he said the woman they beg. Understand
No,
yourself now.
because the woman go your wait now because the woman not talk the truth. He not talk the truth for the beginning. I wish I talk the truth. Say me see as everything they happen. This man for not come out. Or matter go ya. He not talk the truth. And the truth the woman not talk.
Thank you very much, my sister. Thank you very much.
Now make everybody come out for
If you thank you. We don't hear Miss Waiting, Miss Diamond.